YouTubers, what's up? So I want to show you these cows. Let me get the camera a little closer so you can see all of them. They don't sting too much. Two are walking towards me. Can't believe they're all walking towards me. Kind of silly. They have stickers on their ears. So bye.